So yesterday we talked about making a payment on a credit card after 1 month, right? If we did not pay a certain bill off, they accrued some interest and we now owe this amount of money. But now we're going to see kind of the same thing. We're going to make a purchase. We're going to put it on a credit card with a specific APR, in this case 12%. And we need to figure out what each month is going to charge us and how long it will take for that bill to go down to zero. So I've done the first two lines. I'm going to explain them, and then I will have you complete the rest of the chart and answer the 4 questions on the bottom. So we bought $500, a purchase of something, who knows what it is, and we put it on a credit card with a 12% APR. Now remember, we cannot just leave annual percentage rate because they are doing a monthly bill for you. So we are going to take the monthly rate, okay, the monthly rate, and this one's a pretty easy one because 12% divided by 12 is going to be 1%. 12% divided by 12 months, remember there's 12 months in a year, and converting that to a decimal is going to be 2 decimal places to the left, so 0.01. All right, now I'm going to write that right over the 1% interest right here, 0.01. All right, so we start out with $500, right? And we're going to accrue interest. So the way you get this box, this $5, is by taking your $500, so it's this number, times your 0.01, and it will go in this box. So in this case, we have 500 times 0.01 is $5. I put it right in that second box. We're going to add these two together. And what do we get? 500 plus $5 is $505. Now at that end of that month, we are going to make a payment, and it's a flat payment of $50. We're only paying the minimum, and the minimum happens to be $50. So we are going to subtract off $50. So 505 minus $50. Oops. 505 minus $50 is going to be $455. Okay? We're now going to take this new balance and swing it over to month 1 or month 2, right? So now we're starting off with $455. We are going to take that $455 and multiply by 0.01%. We've got to they got to make a bill on us. They got to make money off of us. And that's another $4.55. So right here, they are charging us another $4.55. It's a little bit less because we don't owe as much. When we add $4.55 and $4.55, we get $459.55. There's our next box. Subtract off our payment of $50. So $459.55. My pen is not catching all the numbers. Minus $50 is going to be $409.55. I'm going to do another line with you. $409.55 goes right here. And we are going to add up our interest rate. Well, our interest rate is $409.55 times 0.01. And that is, now we have to round. 4.0955 is $4.10. And when we add our $409.55 to our $4.10, I get a new balance of $413.65. I'm going to make another payment of $50. So this row is always $50. So I'm going to take the $413.65 and subtract off $50. I get $363.65. So I'm paying off this bill, but slowly, because every month they're charging me $5, $4.55, $4.10. So it gets a little annoying to keep seeing those charges. I want you to continue this until you get down to a zero balance, which could take you pretty much to the end of line 11. If you could add up this column and this column at the end, and then answer the questions below. All right, if you have questions, please email me or send me a message on Google Classroom.